Alright guys, today I'm going to go over how I make my peanut butter for my peanut butter and celery that I eat for breakfast every morning. Now, this peanut butter that I make is actually pretty awesome because it has over 90% less fat than normal peanut butter. And that's because I used a defatted peanut powder, and I get that from Protein Plus, and I will share the link below. But the other ingredients that we'll need are flax seed. I use a tablespoon. Now you don't have to, but I prefer a crunchy type peanut butter, and I find that that gives me a good crunch. If you're more of a smooth peanut butter type person, then go ahead and omit that. And then another other thing I'll need is 1 tablespoon of date paste. Now this is one I had bought at the store, but you can make it pretty easily in a food processor. And that's just to sweeten it. We don't like using any refined sweeteners, so the date paste works really good. And then I'll use the cashew milk, which I have a video that I can share the link with. And so we're going to start off with, we're going to put the protein or the peanut powder in the coconut bowl. Now these are just my nice coconut bowls here. I use them for mostly breakfast. Then we're going to add our flax, and then we're going to take a little bit of that cashew milk, and we're going to mix it up. The key here is I don't want it too liquidy that I can't really get that date paste to mix in there, because it doesn't like to mix. So some people would prefer kind of a consistency like that. So I get this date paste in there, and we're going to mix it around. And the date paste, I normally keep it in the fridge, so if you do that, you're not going to be able to really mix it. And so I will either just put it in the microwave for a few seconds or just set it on the counter if you're not wanting to use a microwave. But we get that nice and mixed in there. Okay. And then I like mine a little creamier, so I'm going to add some more of that cashew milk. Set that in there. And it can get a little messy, but it's super easy. And the nice thing is, you know, you normally eat peanut butter and you feel like, oh my gosh, it was so heavy. And well, this isn't. This is really just a nice snack, and I enjoy it with my celery. So this is actually the consistency that I like mine at, a little bit smoother. And the nice thing is, if you put a little too much of that milk in there, the flaxseed will help kind of stabilize it if you let it sit for a few minutes. So there is super easy peanut butter that I make every single morning. I have with my celery. Hey guys, I'm out here. I've got my peanut butter ready. I've got my celery ready. I just wanted to show you guys that, you know, just letting it sit for a few minutes, you can see how it thickens up to a more like thicker peanut butter consistency. But this is something I eat every single day. I eat 6 stalks of celery, and then I add in my peanut butter that I make with the peanut powder. But something I eat every day, something that I think is delicious. And it's, you know, if you're adopting a whole food plant-based diet and you're trying to eat a low-fat diet, maybe lose weight, stay trim, various reasons, you know, cutting out the nut butters can be kind of tough. But after we found this has been a real game changer, because you got like 90% less fat, you get all the flavor, the same consistency, and like none of the guilt, and it's perfect. I eat this, like I said, every single morning. We'll put it in the overnight oats, and it's really something that we enjoy. I hope this recipe helps you guys out. And if you guys liked the video, hit the like button. If you want to see more videos like this, either in the kitchen or on the farm, you can hit the subscribe button. And I'm Plant-Based Gabriel, and I'll see you guys soon.